Alright people, so welcome to SouFLoTV. Again, it is your host with the most. People on the run can look out, on the run can hear this. Quick. Watch this. So, I was online this morning, right? I look for some things to put a little story together for so what I'm going to blog about when I get off of work today. When I'm off of work now, and something was pressing my mind all day at work. I couldn't even do my work at work. I really, in my conscience, it bothered me. You know what I say? So I had to come talk about it. Check this out, man. You have a vlogger named Babsy. I don't know if Babsy come from Grenada or Barbados. I think of Barbados or St. Lucia. I'm not sure. She's a beautiful black sister. You know what I say? And she have some very valid points and she raw and candid with her thing. So I come across Babsy thing. Actually, I come across something that said this morning, Jamaica is in trouble. Alright, I say, because I know say I say Jamaica, right? I say Jamaica to the world, right? So I say, alright, Jamaica is in trouble. Let me check out this thing here. Let me check out the thing, people. Here what? Babsy makes some very valid points. She hurt my feelings, but she tell the truth. And she makes some very valid points. Case in point, watch this. The first thing she got on and she talk about, say, there are a whole heap of Jamaican vloggers online and Jamaican personalities on the internet that have a mass following. Thousands of people are following them. And ever since the year start, the whole away we have these social media outlets that are Jamaicans where the only thing we come on and talk about is who for eyeball fake, who lock up in a prison where we want for free if you come run dance all again, and all them sitting there. And who a lick out who for batty and who a fuck who and them thing there. She said, none of we now use a voice to talk about how deeply the country is in trouble. How deeply Jamaica is in trouble. First of all, when she said that, I said this to myself. I said, she not see SouFLoTV yet. You know what I say? Well, maybe because me not get as big as them yet. Me not know how much viewers them have. Me not know how much subscribers them have. But me not even stay long enough to check out all that. You know what I say? She touched a point. She said this. A little 10-year-old boy get killed. Now, the little 10-year-old boy get killed because the lady, the next door neighbor, did mad because the little boy broke her window. So she kill him and bury him in front of her house. And she get catch at Jamaica. And she not hear nobody talk about that. So she said Jamaican children are in trouble. And she has said also that none of we not talk about it. Alright, because we are wasting time on social media. First of all, let me say this. You see, if we come on social media every day highlighting only the negative in Jamaica, it would have taken every blouse and skirt there. Jamaica is in trouble. Babsy, check me out. I SouFLoTV this, watch out. Jamaica been in trouble, my girl. You hear me I say? Jamaica in trouble for a long, and my place that. I can tell you this. Jamaica has been in trouble for a long time now. You think I one little boy? So for those of you on SouFLoTV who don't know about the story she was addressing, the story she was addressing was about my place again, Clarendon. A little youth, fling stone, broke the neighbor window. The neighbor and the mother and the little youth, parents getting at it, them argue. Them tell our parent, the little youth parents say, them better replace the window by nightfall or by tomorrow morning, else something not gonna happen. Alright. 2 days after that, them little youth, 10-year-old picnic get missing. Them couldn't find him for days. Eventually when they found him, he was buried in a shallow grave at the front doorstep of the neighbor's house. Of the house when broke the window in her. When them carry the woman go a court at Kingston, or wherever the hell she lock up at, hear what she said to the people them will lock her up. The police, the law. She said to the judge, she was upset and tired of him. Or something to that effect. So Babsy take it and run with it now, and I say when them start kill little picnic and bury them just for broken a window. Alright my girl, listen. That might have make news and reach you which part you there and you think say it's tragic. But you know how much little picnic get murdered in Jamaica? You know how much little baby get fuck off down there? Eh? Big man rape off picnic. You know how much old people get chopped up on dash way? It's like you don't really see what going on. So for us to come on social media now and for you to put this squarely on us Jamaicans who have a media outlet like SouFLoTV, for you to put this squarely on our shoulders and say, and burn out all the other things them that we've been talking about, as if nothing bad is going on in your Caribbean island, which part you come from, and a Uncle Jamaica want them a kill picnic. Eh? I don't know. It thing touch me away still. It touched me away because you see people, you see me? Me's a true proud Jamaican. And some of the things them women are like, certain people me don't like is this. You see kind of people them will make other people have bad things to say about my country. And have bad things for use and style with. Because you come out in a real world, come show yourself as a blouse and skirt puppy show, as a bag of shit. You see them kind of people there, them Jamaican them me stay far from. You understand? Because me's a man that carry myself with pride. Me's a man that carry myself proud, up. You know what I say? So when time people look at me, them can say, alright, me see how them flex. I saw the Jamaican them flex. Yeah. So when them see an idiot one now, them can say, yeah, some of them like that too, because idiots are everywhere. You understand me? So people where I draw with picnic and rape picnic and kill picnic, nobody come act like say that are the majority of what is going on in Jamaica. And it is not going on anywhere else. Me hear what y'all say, Babsy. Me hear what y'all say. And it burn me feelings. It burn me feelings because them body will give people the right to come style with them way. You know what I say? Because it is true. It did happen. But at the same time, let's be realistic. If SouFLoTV came on every single day and talked about this, and maybe we should address a bigger issue. Because my channel is about supply and demand, if you understand what I say. So when I come on here and I do something about a video where say, who owns Jamaica? Is Jamaica still a slave colony in 2015, 2016? I'm going to go through it. I'm going to break down who own the country, who the leaders of the country still bow down to, why the political system is set the way that it is set, why the judicial system in Jamaica is set the way that it is set, why the money a slide a go so like an avalanche. When I break down them things there, I come back and I look on the views on a video like that is so educational that me take over a week to do the research pan, just to give people real information. When me look on the views pan that video there, and me see the video say 300-400 views. 6 months later. And me do a video where say Gully Bop and Shana Chin a fight. Shana Chin lick him in the head with padlock. Did she really catch him in the house with man? I me do some trivial, frivolous shit like that. And me look on that video there and it reached 14,000 views. If this is a supply and demand channel, me have to give the people them what them want. You know what I say? Me can't sit down on social media every day and talk about, yes, well, another person was killed in Jamaica today. And then tomorrow me get up and say 3 more people got killed in a drive-by in Jamaica today. And then tomorrow me get up and say a 75-year-old woman got chopped up with a machete today. And then tomorrow me get up and say a nurse retired from America and went home to live in Jamaica, thought she had retired to the life of her dreams. She worked her whole life for this. And some dirty bumbo hole broke in her house, stab her up, and I try to look something for teeth. If I that you want to hear, then you want me to run a channel where nobody now pay my channel no mind. You know what I say? Me not hear your channel I talk about everything bad and disgusting what happening in your country. And on top of that, you see, me have some Jamaican that come on SouFLoTV. And here where them come on SouFLoTV can tell me say, hey boy, go suck out under your mother. Stop dash Jamaica under the bus. You sure say you're Jamaican or you living a foreign too long? Uncle Sam system fry your brain. All this. Why you always highlight the bad things them we are going in Jamaica? So Babsy, you see what I say? When I come on, I get it from every angle. Understand? I mean, I have no time for you to do them video ya and not get no view for them video ya. I 4 picnic me have in my yard. You know what I say? I have my own career. So me doing this is just an outlet. I'm not going to take up my time to come on here and dish bad news every day. If Jamaicans want to know what is going on bad in Jamaica, then go check the news. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Jamaica news today or breaking news today. Google I go give you straight from Jamaica how it come on the news this morning. And you can sit down there and watch the news in Jamaica like you're in Jamaica. So they don't need us to be doing that. Them liquor site here what we set up. Them liquor site here, a more time, I feel build a vibes. You know what I say? I feel do something outside of that monotonous. Yeah, somebody get killed today. Alright, somebody get killed tomorrow. Alright, somebody get killed again. Alright, man get run over by a truck. Alright, this mash up over there. So, them thing they're enough to highlight every friggin' day. So, for her to come and say that none of us are using our voice, go and search SouFLoTV. A 280 something video on this channel. Go and search them and see how many of them we were addressing things going on in Jamaica that are urgent. Like, man, I rape off the little boy picnic them down there. So the explosion of the homosexual population. And then the same man them down there turn up there talk about bun a fish and bun a Batman. When you created a Batman because you're an undercover Batman yourself. And you have up your blouse and skirt family. Yo, you can go ask the fish them where they are roadside and sell them things at night time. How much prominent men come to them. Men of all stature come to them. And them man them married and have them family. No found no daddy down there, a buy batty. You know what I say? And of them same man, they are molest off a little boy picking them and turn them into them things there. I'm not saying that, and there you go again. I'm not saying that every homosexual male was molested. I'm not saying that, no, you never born. So, I'm not trying to dispute none of that. I'm just saying, when important topics like those come up, you can't say, all of us, none of we now use with voice or with platform. We do. We do. So Jamaica people in the talk to me, man. Talk to me and let me know what I'm going. Because that one not even funny or blouse and skirt. Me can't even laugh. Me just come in from work and me look a picnic birthday and I go celebrate his birthday with him. And me talk to him later here. And the link up. Like, comment, share and subscribe and make we talk about the thing, man. We know so we country in a trouble. We know that. But the fact is it's been in trouble for a long time. She did there talk about the one little picnic, the 10-year-old. God bless him soul. The 10-year-old with the dirty girl killed because he broke one window and she in an argument with the picnic parents. She got kill the picnic. She somebody outside looking in is talking about that, and I use that as a weapon for style every Jamaican vlogger or every Jamaican online personality. We have a voice and a following then. That's not fair. That is not fair. It cannot be fair. I pity she don't know about the whole family of 6. Where them run out of the house and shut up everybody as them catch your house afire and shut up everybody as them run out of the house. I pity she don't know about the 3. Where them walk up and slap with the other day. I pity she don't know about the 4 little boy them. Where them shot execution style. Actually a 3 boy and one 18 and one 19-year-old where them shot execution style. Bust off the whole of them head for cell phone. It's like, yo, when you see one little thing I go on and you're going to use that. If you really care about Jamaica like that, in order to make a vlog like that, you know what I say, I criticize what is like, oh shit, this is the biggest thing we ever go on in Jamaica and nobody now pay attention. It's because them thing here are a regular thing in Jamaica now. People say that shit and go, alright, so I'm going to say what I go on for entertainment. The people them traumatize. The people them want to escape them reality. You understand what I say? And you can't blame them. Because survival is the name of the game. Hold your sanity. Yeah? So by whatever means, I'm out of here, man. The SouFLoTV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.